All right, guys, we're back here today. I got some consumables, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this stuff cut off and get it all cleaned up, welded up a couple of holes, and we'll be ready to start installing. Alrighty, so we're all done with the grinding part. Now it's time to move some brake lines, move a couple of things so we can get the plate mounted on here. But I want to show you guys real quick. I'm also going to hit it with a lower grit to clean up some of these scratch marks and get it all nice and blended. But these brake lines were all clipped right up here, so they'll move up a little bit to go ahead and fit this plate. I'll show you the plate. The plate's gonna go just like that. So you can see the top. So there's a little bit of clearancing you gotta do to make this thing work. But I also need to make the plate for down here and weld that up, weld this crack up right, or the seam up right here. It's not a crack, it's where two different pieces of the frame meet together and we're welded up about here. I can go ahead and get this brake line off because I'm not going to use it. Just basically clean up right now, and then I can go ahead and weld this plate fully into the frame and then start on install.